So many candies. Now let's take. Now that's it, okay? 1 dirhams coin accepted, and then you will get this. I so want to try this. We're trying to convince him कि वो यहाँ पे जो available games हैं, he must try this, ताकि हम थोड़ी shopping भी कर लें. क्योंकि अगर हम एक दफ़ा अंदर चले गए ना, so it's going to be like we have to spend at least 3 hours, and I don't want it. And the nanny is also not here. See, he's not listening at all. He's very sad. And I don't know बच्चों को कैसे कंट्रोल किया जाता है. But of course, by the time parents have to deal with their tantrums, with patience, not with strictness. Okay, daddy is making sure. सीन कुछ ऐसा है कि we so wanted कि the boy should play in this area, but उन्होंने choose किया है the other way around, जो मैंने शायद अभी बीच में दिखाया भी था. It's like slides and everything, and we have to pay extra for that. It has a different pass. तो finally हम जा रहे हैं दूसरा टिकट खरीदने. It's like a card which is all about like a membership card which I just told you 156 something या 159 था. वरना it's like one day pass is only 65 dirhams all day, unlimited. Like the whole day your kid is playing, and you just need to pay 65, which is I think very good as compared to other malls जहाँ पे minimum एक required time होता है, like you have to pay 45 or 50 dirhams just for 2 hours, 1 hour or maybe 2 hours. 2 hours तो खैर नहीं होते. 2 hours is always expensive. It's like 100 and plus. So this is the Fun City play area for the kids, and that's, I think they have renovated, and you can just see his happiness right now. Help me, बेटा पैसे चाहिए होते हैं इन सब चीज़ों के लिए. So yeah, we are getting the card filled out, क्योंकि कार्ड यहाँ पे एक ही बार बनाना पड़ता है. Then you can top up every time you are visiting here. So yes, we will get it. Now come, let us show more options, okay? We have so many games for you, right? अच्छा, ज़्यादातर बच्चे इन सब चीज़ों से बहुत अट्रैक्ट होता है. And I think when we were child, हम भी इन सब चीज़ों से बहुत we so wanted to grab something free. Eventually it's not free, it's just a luck and how you deal it with a trick. So not everyone can do this. और फिर ये सारे points मिलना, tickets को count करके then getting a gift or something. So it's pretty cool. I really love the ambience now. They have given this lightning on top, और इस तरीके से उन्होंने दिया हुआ. I think all the ages it's varies. You can see 6-7 years old as well. और शायद हमारे लिए भी कुछ options हैं, मुझे तो लग रहा है, because this is not a kid ride. Come here. You want this? You want this? Okay, yeah, he wants to try this one. He wants a minion. It's a minion or SpongeBob? Oh, so it's a SpongeBob. SpongeBob, yeah. We used to watch this when we were child. अच्छा, यहाँ पे डोरा भी है, but of course the boys always go for their boy thing and the girl always wants the girl thing. So बाकी जब इन्होंने दोनों options दे दिए हैं. Let's see who wins. बहुत ही प्यारा बनाया है. दैट्स फॉर वेरी लिटिल किड्स, लाइक मे बी इन्फेंट्स. और इसको टच भी इन्होंने बिल्कुल ये देखिए पिंक एंड येलो एंड ये दिया. फिर दिस इज आई थिंक फॉर बिगर पीपल्स, लाइक बिगर किड्स. और यू वांट टू गो हियर मोहम्मद ईसा? सी, ओके देन लेट्स गो हियर. अच्छा, दे हैव अ मेंबरशिप ऑफ 159 आई जस्ट सॉ. और वरना तो खैर आई थिंक इट्स लाइक अ 50 dirham फॉर अ होल डे पास. और ये सॉक्स पहनना लाजमी होता है यहाँ पे, लाइक इट्स एन एंटी स्लिप. Okay, let's tell Daddy because Daddy is grabbing a card. So I will tell Daddy that Mohammed doesn't want to have these games. He wants to go inside this, right? So यहाँ पे they have given this as well. मतलब बच्चों की full entertainment. And then जगह पे these are the bubble gums. Yeah, you want to go inside. I think okay. Before it was 50, now it's per child 65 dirhams. So many candies. Now let's it. Now that's it. Okay. Now come, let's play another game. Let's play another game. This one, shower. I love that game. You पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए बाप बेटे. And then I realized कि यहाँ पे बैठ के proper मजे ले रहे हैं. Yeah, this is really good. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Juicy groove है and this is mango gummy. This is very nice. I really loved it. And then this is something की कुछ different सी चीज़ है, toothbrush candy. Oh, that's something different. And what is this, Mama Disa? This is a lipstick. Oh my God, he doesn't want to share. Okay, guys, this is something very nice. It's a mango flavor. एकदम ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे चौसा कहते हैं ना आम की जो एक वो होती है. So that's really tastes like this and it's really I don't know I just throw the wrapper in the dustbin वरना मैं आपको दिखाती कि what is it पर ये मुझे यहीं से जो एक हमने गेम जीता है उसमें तो कुछ कैंडीज मिली तो I just grab one candy from Mohammed Isa. Really this is too good. I wish पाकिस्तान में जो आमरस मिलती थी पहले अब मुझे नहीं पता वो मिलती नहीं मिलती because I have never seen it in the shops. It tastes exactly like that, similar. But it's really nice. What do you want?
Marshmallow.
You love marshmallow?
Yes.
I so wanted to try this one. It's a splashing water. Ooh!
Come on,